Miss Heidi here, and today we're going to do a fun scratch art craft. So this is a DIY project that we're going to need a couple supplies for. We're going to need some paper, and you're going to need a heavy paper like cardstock. If you don't have cardstock, you can also use a card. We're going to need some black paint, some brushes. I'm going to be using these sponge brushes, crayons or oil pastels, some dish soap, and a skewer stick or a chopstick. So let's get started. So first we're going to take our cardstock, and I cut mine in half just to have a smaller surface. And next we're going to cover the whole thing with our crayons or our oil pastels. So you can color any colors you'd like, just make sure it covers the whole piece of paper. And once you have your entire paper covered in your crayon or your pastel, now we're going to mix up our paint. You want to add in enough paint that's going to cover your entire paper. Go. And you want to use black paint. You can try a different color as well. And next you're going to add in some dish soap. So you want about an equal parts dish soap to your paint. And the dish soap is going to help the paint stick to your crayon or your oil pastel. And mix it up. Go. And now you're going to paint your entire paper with your paint. And I'm using the sponge brush because it lays nicely. And you can go over it a couple times until the whole thing is covered. After you painted your paper, let it dry completely, and then you can have fun with your scratch art. My paper is completely dry, so now you can take your skewer stick or your chopstick or even a toothpick, and you can scratch into your paper to create your designs. And you can see the colors coming out from underneath. And add any details that you would like. And have fun playing with your scratch art. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!